Hi traders, welcome for the update for the 15th of December. Now we're 2 days away from expiry and looks like we're nowhere near our strike points. Now our strike point was up there at 1190 from memory. Yep, 1190 is a call position and 900 down here at 900 was our put. So to give you an idea how far away we are, we're 80 points and lots of 200 points away from the puts. So for us to be under pressure on our options, we need a move that's more than 100 points in one session. So that's unlikely, but in all cases, we're covered. Doesn't matter. We've had a bit of a choppy expiry period. This one, been stuck around this 1100 period, 1100 level. So it looks like overall this is going to be a loser. This spread. That's okay. Our goal is to have a slow and a consistent performer, which, depending on how much you're after each year, we've managed to pull in about 40% for the year. So in my book, that's a good return. So any system that's returning consistently 40% a year, 30 to 40 to 50% a year, that's pretty good, because we've got a strategy that we know that we just can't blow our account up. So that's priority number one, is to keep your capital. Number two is to make a return on your investment. So that's to get both things together is pretty good. So we've just come out of a long trade, which pulled in a couple of points. We've missed the chop, waiting to get in a trade. We got in a short just. Now look, I know some members, upon advice that I've given months and months ago, was to around key levels of these whole numbers, 1100, 1000, 1200, even the 50s. If you can, bring your entry down half a point or a point, just to stay away from those levels. To give you an example, we've got an entry up here at 1110.50. That's okay. Down here the entry is 1190. So ideally we come down to 1109.50, just to make the market push down past that 1100 level. Or is that, no, sorry, 1059, 1099, sorry about that. It just keeps you out of those choppy periods. So we'll just continue on hedging against the futures, against the options, and we're away in 2 days for another reset. I'm seriously considering just waiting till the 3rd of January, past all these holidays, until we set our next spread, to give yourself a bit of time to get refreshed and reflect on the year so far. And then we'll come back on the 3rd and we'll go again for another 12 months, see if we can beat 44%. So until the expiry period tomorrow, just hedge with your futures. We're in a short at the moment. Our entry was, on here it was 1101.86. We got down as low as, see, we still haven't gone past the 1100 mark. So if you aren't in this trade, I'd suggest you bring your entry down to 1099.50 and just make the market push past that whole level to get in the trade, because we're coming into the US session, so there isn't a lot of volume here at the moment. So until tomorrow's update, happy trading, and I'll be back in touch with you tomorrow.